Hello students, in this video we'll see syllabus of subject English, and that is for diploma semester first. Subject code is 22101, and this syllabus is for all the branches of diploma. In this video you will have the detailed explanation of marking system also. So let us start. First unit, applied grammar, that is for 14 marks. First point, articles, definite and indefinite articles. Second points, prepositions, types and its uses. Third point, conjunction, coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. Fourth point, active and passive voice. Next, direct and indirect speech. Last, tenses, present tense, past tense, future tense. Connectors, and, but, or, not, though, although, if, unless. Otherwise, because, as, therefore, so, who, whom, whose, which, where, when, why, what, etc. Next, comparison. Seen passages from MSBT textbook. The teachers will provide you the book. From that seen passages you have to solve. Unseen passages from different sources. Next unit, paragraph and dialogue writing for 12 marks. First, paragraph writing. Second, types of paragraph, that is technical, descriptive, narrative, compare and contrast. Next point, dialogue writing. In that, first one is greetings and second one is development of dialogue. And last, closing sentence. Next unit, vocabulary building, that is for 12 marks. Words often confused. Next, collocation. Next, prefix and suffix. Then synonyms and antonyms. Last unit, speeches for 8 marks. You have to write welcome speech, farewell speech, summarize an event. You have to summarize debate, summarize panel discussions, compare panel discussions, introducing a guest, and vote of thanks. This is all about the syllabus. Now, examination scheme means marking scheme. See, maximum you have to write 70 marks paper in your theory exam, and minimum 28 marks should be there for passing. And in theory PA, theory practical, in theory practical you have to get 30 marks, minimum 0 marks. In this 30 marks, 10 marks is for micro project and 20 marks is for average of 2 unit tests. There will be 2 unit tests of 20 marks, and its average 20 marks will be added in this 30 marks. The total is of 100 marks, and for passing you need 40 marks. Now, for this theory ESE means end semester exam. So in this end semester exam you have to give one practical, that is of 25 marks. Means your final exam practical. You have to write the practical whatever your teachers will give you. So that ESE for end semester exam means that for 70 marks exam, written exam, this practical exam you have to give, that is for 25 marks, and in that minimum 10 marks you should get for passing. Then practical PA. Practical PA. In that practical PA, whatever lab manual you write, means whatever practicals you write in full year, that practicals will be converted into 25 marks, and in that also minimum 10 marks you should get for passing. See, these marks are in your hand, means how you write the practicals. If you write it neatly, you will get full marks. Then that is maximum 50 marks is there for practicals. So in this practicals also minimum 20 marks you should get for passing. So this paper is for 100 marks theory and and 50 marks practicals. Like that 150 marks of paper will be there. English paper will be there for 150 marks if written exam will be there. Okay, thank you students. If you like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.